What's up, guys? It's HeroKid5000 here, and I'm going to be doing a seed showcase. And yeah, you can copy the seed right here. I'll also put in the description. And yeah, let's go into it. And it said there's supposed to be like an ocean village, and there is. But if you guys want me to make a, like me making a series out of this seed, I will. And I'll show you guys what's inside the chest. Oh, I can't really. But there's 2 iron swords, some bread, 3 emeralds, some saplings, apples, and ink sacks. And I'm not doing face cam for this video. It's just because I just don't want to. But if you go over here, this is just part of the well. But if you go down over here, place some torches. Hold on. Gotta turn difficulty on. There's a mob spawner. A skeleton mob spawner. And what's inside the chest? There's some wheat, some iron, gunpowder, and some bread. And what's inside this chest is some wheat, string, bucket, and some bread. So, yeah. Let's go back up. There's tons of iron, some more iron. There's coal. Yeah, tell me if you guys want me to make a series on this one, on this seed, and I will. But I hope you guys enjoyed this seed, just a seed showcase, and hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.